I want to take it. Now, if you repeat it again, you interpret for them. And you are arrested. We shall not hand you over. You will be charged in court. Following the recent persistent security and diplomatic engagements between Uganda and Kenyan authorities, 3rd Division hands over 6 Turkana suspects on the gesture of East African Community Partnership as a sign of peaceful coexistence and brotherhood. Notably, the 6 suspects were arrested along with 8 Masenuku, as you can see. They are paraded in a cordon and search operation in different areas of Karamoja sub-region. As we release and hand over these Turkana suspects, we urge the Turkana county government to penalize those we hand over for abusing the peaceful coexistence and cross-border security arrangements.
I want to state categorically that we are not allowing anybody to come and do criminality when you are in the host country. Once somebody crosses over whichever side of the border, even in that agreement, that person should be subject to the laws of that particular country. And in this particular case, in Uganda. We, however, been engaged in this discussion that to streamline the stay of the Turkana here and the other citizens of Uganda who live in Kenya in a peaceful manner, in a brotherly manner. But none of us condones the criminality that's involved. And we take this opportunity to extend our appreciation to the Deputy Division Commander and the team for pardoning this team that are being handed over today. We, however, the crime must be punished by whatever means, so that a repeat of the same is not adhered to.
Majong and the Turkana pastoralists have coexisted and shared water and pasture in the grazing belts in Uganda, as guided and spelled out in the Memorandum of Understanding. However, over time, some armed Turkana elements have continued to violate the much desired Memorandum of Understanding since they engage themselves in criminal activities.
However, we will want to continue to educate our people. Whenever they cross, they should not carry a firearm, they should come and follow the laws of Uganda, and they should be able to coexist with the host communities in a peaceful manner.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Karamoja.